Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Saturday the 5th of May 2018 and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 4th of May. Gold fell $7 last week from $1,322 to $1,315, having hit a high of $1,324 and a low of $1,302. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £971. That's up £12. And in euros, it closed at €1,099. That's up €9 on the week. Silver fell 1 cent, from $16.53 to $16.52, having hit a high of $16.57 and a low of $16.07. In sterling terms, it closed at £12.21. That's up 22 pence. And in euros, it closed at 13.81 euros. That's up 0.18 euros. The gold to silver ratio fell from 79.97 to 1 to 79.60 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 24,262, up 332 points on the day and down 49 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 7,209, up 121 points on the day and up 90 points on the week. Brent crude rose 23 cents, from $74.64 to $74.87. And US light crude rose $1.62, from $68.10 to $69.72. The dollar index stands at 92.56. That's up 1.02 on the week. In our last video, we quoted it was likely that we would see the gold price under further pressure. Well, gold was indeed under pressure and very nearly dipped into $1,200 territory. Yes, there is quite a strong floor at $1,300 and a resistive ceiling at $1,350, and gold may indeed vacillate between these two. However, should rates rise in June, we can indeed see gold falling below $1,300. And in fact, if political tensions ease, as they apparently appear to be, we may very well see $1,275 and even $1,250 gold before this month is out, especially if the dollar continues to strengthen as it has over the past 2 weeks. We have a similar view for silver. A strong floor at $16 and a resistive ceiling at $17.50. However, like gold, we see silver weakening in coming weeks, especially as political tensions ease, good economic news continues, and an increasing likelihood of high rates in June looming. Then we could expect to see silver fall to around $15.50. May not be this week or next week, but we certainly expect weakening before May is out. For those listeners who feel that we are unnecessarily bearish on gold and silver, one only has to look at the weakening physical demand. This has to some extent been replaced by increasing industrial demand and may do so for a while yet. However, we believe that the next 2 months will be bearish. However, things may indeed change somewhat as we approach the US midterm elections later this year. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated regularly, can be found at facebook.com/IlluminatiSilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.